Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Umashange said something about Utando that just made me raise my eyebrows, you guys. She said Utando ngiyamazi angeke ahambe, asimenzanga lutho kodwa ngeke aze ahambe. Now my question is, what makes Umashange so sure of herself ukuthi Utando akayindawo, you guys? Could it be that all these Dlamuka wives, because guys, wasn't there a time where these Dlamuka wives, after Ubabu Dlamuka passed away, some were saying Uchi bafuni okana, futi they young and whatnot, but all of them are still there. So could it be the reason why all these Dlamuka wives can't leave Dlamuka is the very same reason why Utando can't leave Usiatel? Because at this point I'm like, I understand either number one, Labantu by an actor to make sure that they are keeping the money coming in. But the thing that wouldn't make sense is that if they are acting, I don't think Tando's family will be willing to come and, showcase themselves and embarrass themselves like that if it's just all about acting. Or number two, guys, khona something egcine uThando nabafazi bakwaDlamuka in that yard. And maybe even us, Nama viewers, basfagele waza or something like that. Because why do we keep watching that show, guys? Anyway, on this episode, guys, I just think at this point, as a country, we just need to drink water and stay out of Indabara, Tando Beno Siatel. No, I'm convinced there is no one who can take Utando out of that situation except herself. In fact, I don't even think except herself, except if Unokuzana Usiatela is the one who says he doesn't want her anymore. I saw a post, guys, where apparently Utando says if Emoja Love is stopped, if they cancel this Isengane Lengane show, Sizomondla na. So I'm just like, so Wushugutu Kelly, Aganandaba of what's going on as long as they are still getting the money. Angazi, because she's asking us what Jengoba. Some people want the show to be cancelled. What is she going to eat? What are they going to eat? Anyway, guys, in this episode, we see Umam Kize. She called Utando aside to have a chat with Utando to check Ubuti how is Tando doing after that situation where Usiatela was threatening all of them. Manje, Utando goes on to say Ubuti asikish mumu astatayo just that Diana abasafunu khlala wadlamuka. So it's like Utando, she's holding on to the fact of Oma Siatela. They don't know how to promote Siatela, but she doesn't want to make a decision. It's like she wants to stay safe. She wants to come out and say yes, Siatela, but if you ask her Tando Ishmumo Sitini, here she is saying Utarafunus Tatishmumo, the only thing that she knows Utarafunu Klalalan, meaning that she still wants this marriage. Utando is not at the point, guys, where she's like she's tired of this marriage and she wants to leave. Anyway, Tando goes on to say, he will never respect me. And apparently, after they left Umhlangano, Utando went to their room. Usiatela followed her. He was trying to apologize and basically say, what can I do? Tando olele as ntombazana, the one who are fighting over and Zomdamp, Apamguako and whatnot. So that's what made me kind of think, is Twalana, or is it that Usiatela does things intentionally for the camera? Because it doesn't make sense of why he was threatening everyone when the cameras were there. When the cameras are gone, chigi, Utando, he's saying sorry, Utando, and all of that. So I'm just like, so Tsiatala wants people to perceive him as this guy or Sabe guy who does whatever he wants to do. Then when the cameras are gone, he has the audacity to apologize. Anyway, unokuzana uMamkhize goes on to say ukuthi Thando mina ngibona ukuthi ngathi kungcono siyobikela abomalume bakho, so we must tell them before they find out about the situation from other people that usiyacela usehlule, we have failed with him. While they're talking like that, guys, the uncles arrive. with a Moja Love, or it looks like a Moja Love car. Now my question is, did Emoja Love, I don't know how they get to shoot these things, you guys, but it just seems strange. It was strange that Unokuzana, Umam Kize is sitting down speaking no Tando, saying that she wants to have a meeting with Tando's uncle. Next thing, Tando's uncles are riding with Moja Love's car. So I feel like either Moja Love knew which the public's going to make a big deal out of this, and they organized a call for Abomalumebas Tando to come all the way to Ulundi. I get so anyway, when they get there, mga Tando's like, Kelly Tando, sizokulanda namhlanje. Sizokulanda, cela uyosilandela usiyacela sikhulume naye because we are leaving with you. That time while befuna usiyacela uziphumela ngegate, guys, he is leaving ngegate. I'm like, where is this guy going to? Because ubabonile for sure bengena. Anyway, the uncles are adamant ukuthi listen, they are leaving noThando, abamshiya uThando, but the Dlamuka wives, some of them, they're against it. Usiyacela ngalana, ebo bafuna umshaya. But one thing I noticed ukuthi usiyacela, when he saw Abomalume, he was speaking in a decent tone. I'm like, oh, this is what he wants. He was speaking in a decent tone. One thing, when he speaks to Abomalume Bagathando and Unjabulo, he knows how to speak in a decent tone. So kusho ukuthi delela labo mama and delela other people not to ukuthi akawazi ukukhuluma kahle usiyacela. Anyway, so they sit down, they have a discussion. They say, Uguti, listen, Tando's mother's like, Sehamba no Tando, we are tired of this. Next thing, they are saying, listen, Utando was married here. We can't just live with her like that. So Tando, asizwe, now, Uguti, what do you want to do? Are you leaving with us or are you staying behind? Utando says, I mina ngiyahamba. After that, she gets up. Usiyacela at this point is sitting at some corner. She gets up, she goes to Siyacela, she's like, Siyacela, mina ngiyahamba. Angazi ukuthi what response did she want from Usiyacela, but Usiyacela says, she says ukuthi ngiyahamba ngiyovakasha. Akasho ukuthi she's leaving for forever. She's saying ngiyovakasha, so she wants to make sure ukuthi the doors are still open. Her husband knows clearly ukuthi uyovakasha. Usiyacela says, over my dead body, my dear. Over my dead body, you are not doing that, our hambilana. You are a wife here, Bona. If they want to talk to anyone, mabayo kuluma name omo that I left there. Next thing, so Blualwingane, Usiyacela, Umarathando took the child, Ulubanzi. She's carrying the child on her back. Next thing, Usiyacela ufuna ingane. Usiyacela's like, listen, when Athando, if ufuna ukuhamba, hamba, but leave my child. Our Uthando now uses that as an excuse, atabasahamd. She says ukuthi she can't leave her child alone. Ingane yakhe izonakekelwa ubani. I'm just like this. I just feel like this is an excuse because the child was on your mother's back. Everyone was willing to leave. Why did you not leave? She did not leave. Now she's using the child as an excuse and whatnot. I'm like, yes, guys, I don't even know why did I. It was too good to be true because I was getting excited when Uthando was about to leave. Listen, there is a truth, guys, in saying Wuti, you can't go to someone else's yard. So Abomalume Bagathando, their strength was limited. They couldn't go Wadamuga and grab Uthando out of there because Uthando ukaniwe, you guys. But I feel like once it gets to the case where someone is being abused, you guys, whether it's emotionally, physically, we must cross the boundaries of culture and tradition. Because what else must happen? But kuyafana then again, because even if they drag Uthando, Thando's buyela. Thando's not ready to leave them. She posts her guy amidst all of these things, saying, boy, like showing us ukuthi she's very much still with a man, or maybe she's showing the other ladies ukuthi hey ningajabuli ngicabanga ukuthi angikho ngisekhona nje, shame. And anyway, guys, that's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.